Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArklateXhomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Monday morning forecast update. Should be a very nice start to the week for us. We're going to take the weather that we kind of experienced yesterday and just kind of shift it into today. It won't be as cold this morning, but still a chilly morning for us, and we should enjoy highs in the low to mid 60s again this afternoon. We've got just a light north breeze that will kick in a little bit later today. Expect highs will be pretty close to what we experienced yesterday. So this morning we've got a weak cold front that's moving through, so we're actually a little bit colder north of I-30, starting out at freezing in Idabel and DeQueen. We've had a little cloud cover kind of scoot through as well, which is what's holding the temperatures up just a little bit across the rest of the region. So most of us, Texarkana, report pretty much everywhere, starting out in the low to mid 40s if you are south of Interstate 30. It's a dry cold front, which will eventually push all the clouds off to the east. We don't have any rain out there, and don't expect any rain until Wednesday, so it should be an enjoyable Monday and Tuesday. Highs this afternoon winding up in the low to mid 60s, which is about 5 to 10 degrees above average. And you can basically tell where the front is on the map here. Where we have the south wind, we're still kind of out ahead of the front. And again, we've got a west and northwest wind kicking in behind the front. So basically the front located between I-20 and I-30 at the moment here. And eventually the wind should turn to the northwest for the rest of us, which will kind of push that dry air in. So what little cloud cover we do see this morning will get pushed east this afternoon. Expect we'll see mostly sunny conditions out there for most of us after the noon hour today, and that's something that will continue into your Tuesday. Foresee maybe a degree or two temperature drop tomorrow. That's just about it. Should be a really nice Tuesday, and our next cold front is still expected to move in on Wednesday, so we do have a chance of maybe just some lightly scattered rain in the morning, and as the front kind of encounters some of the warmer air south of I-20, definitely could have a thunderstorm or two on Wednesday, but right now it looks like the severe weather threat either very, very low or pretty much non-existent, which is good news for us, especially this time of the year. You can sometimes get some strong thunderstorms, but that doesn't look possible for us on Wednesday, and you can see some of that rain lingering maybe into Wednesday evening, but we should dry out Thursday. Thursday looking like one of those cloudy days that will kind of have that chilly north wind and highs maybe in the 40s and 50s. So this front will definitely bring some cooler air in to wrap up the week and as we head into the weekend. Right now, the forecast rainfall accumulations here, I think the forecast model is still having a little bit of a hard time kind of dialing in on the amounts. Right now, I would expect maybe we'll see a quarter to a half inch, but it is advertising maybe a few locations picking up to maybe up to an inch of rain, which wouldn't cause us any problems. Even coming off the heavy rain last week, again, if we get an inch of rain over the next 7 days, not going to hurt us at all. Again, Thursday, Friday, Saturday will cool back into the 50s. We're watching Sunday, pretty good forecast model agreement that we'll see a chance of rain on Sunday, and also a little bit of agreement here that potentially, especially the northern Arklatex, we could see some of this rain change over maybe into some sleet or snow. Maybe that would be late on Sunday. Of course, the timing and kind of the finer details on that will get ironed out here in the upcoming days, but just got to keep that in the back of your mind. Is a possibility right now. Perhaps we could see some winter weather late in the upcoming weekend.